We have given universal set U and sets A, B, C, D. In this example, we have to find how many subsets of D are there. So, we know that for given set D, we may speak of the class of all subsets of D, and this class is called the power set of D and will be denoted by P of D. If D is finite, then so is P of D. In fact, the number of elements in P of D is 2 raised to the power of elements of set D. So we can write that the P of D has, in our example, the base is always 2. We have to count how many elements we have in set D. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 elements. So we will have 2 to 4th power is 16 elements. So now let's write these 16 elements. So we will have that P of D is, and in brackets, first we can always put empty set, this is empty set. Next, we have to look at elements of set D. We have 2, so can be 2 is subset of D. 4 is subset of D. 8, 10, and next we can have combination like 2 with 4, 2 with 8, 2 with 10, and we not repeat like 10 and 2, it's the same, or 8 and 2 is the same. Next we can take 4 and 8, we don't have. 4 and 10. Next, we don't have 8 and 10. Now we have 1 element, 2 elements, so now will be 3. So can be 2, 4 and 8, and 2, 8 and 10. Next will be 4, 8, 10, and I forgot about 2 we can have with 4, 8 and 8 and 10, but we don't have combination 2 with 4 and 10, and the last is 4 elements, so all set D. 2, 4, 8, 10. This is all subsets of set D. Let's check if we have 16 elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. We have 16 elements. So we found all subsets of set D. This is my solution.